Hi everybody, it's Denise Austin. This is your 5-minute AM or PM stretch. You could do this in the morning or in the evening, just to unwind. Let's begin with a deep cleansing breath. Bring in the oxygen and let it out, any stress. Again, deep breath, inhale, feeling good, and exhale. Great, and let's stretch through the arms, that's it. Open up through the chest, giving you energy, getting the oxygen to flow through the whole body, head to toe fitness right now. You could do these exercises anytime, anywhere. That's right. They don't require any equipment. All you need is yourself and 4 feet of space. That's it. Last one, and relax. Let's stretch the back out now. Inhale up and stretch to the side. Hold that stretch. Oh, this is so important for your spine. Keeping it lengthened and stretched. And now to the other side. So great to do in the morning or the evening. This is the best stretch in the world. Open up the chest. That's it. And release. Now my favorite stretch of all. Open your hands up towards the ceiling. That's it. And stretch back. Squeeze those buttock muscles. Tighten up that tushy. And relax. Great. And now let's work those thighs, those legs, stretching it out. Better blood circulation through the legs. And now to the other side. When you're doing this, think about pulling up and in the abdominals. They are the key, the center of your body. That's it. Let's go side to side. That's it. Notice my hips are back. Very important. You're getting through the groin area now, stretching and toning at the same time. Very efficient in your 5-minute workout, side to side. We got one more, and now hold it there. Reach it down and stretch up. That's it, stretch your back. Oh, so good, feel it, stretch it. That's it, now to the other side. Hold and stretch that arm up, 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 up. Pull in the tummy. That's it. Really feel the stretch. Great rotation for the waistline for your back. And relax. And now slowly jump up, bring your feet together, and let's circle through the ankles. Oh, through the legs, keeping your knees and your ankles strong and flexible at the same time. That's it. Great. And now slowly come all the way down and sit down, and let's stretch through the thighs, the quadriceps. That's it. Chest is high. Lift your chest. Elongate the leg. Now we're stretching through the groin, especially if you sat today. That's it. This opens up through the hips, keeping your hips healthy. Wonderful stretch for the hip flexors. That's it. And now stretch it all the way up for a little toning of the thighs. No more saddlebags. We'll slim down. Pull your abs up and in so you're working through the abdominals too. We've got 2 more. Lift it up and down. Last one. And now we target tone the inner thighs. Flex your foot and lift the bottom leg. That's it. Great to strengthen through the entire leg. Inner thigh toners. That's it. One more. Lift it up, 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 up. Beautiful. And now just switch sides. First of all, we have to stretch those quads as well as your hip flexors. The stomach is in, your back is strong and straight. You're thinking good posture. That's it. Throughout the day today, I want you to really think good posture. And if you're going to bed tonight doing these stretches, you'll sleep better. Your body will be relaxed. Stretching through all the areas we need, the hips. That's important for all of us. Okay, release. Now the leg comes up and down. Flex the foot, getting great circulation in the legs. Great, sitting up nice and tall. Zip up those abs. That's it, beautiful. That's great. This is wonderful for the outside of the hips and stabilizing your hips as well as trimming your thighs. Last one, hold it up, great. And release it. Now it's time for our inner thigh toner. Lift and lower. That's it. This is now working through the inner knees. That's it. No more jigglies inside your inner thighs. We'll shape it up right now. So important. Last one. We hold it up, pull the tummy in, and relax. And now it's time to do our abdominals. Lie down. And slowly relax the neck, relax your head. That's it. Bringing your knees to tabletop. Hold it right there. And now slowly lift, touch your knees and come back down. And lift and lower. Just reach and lower. For those of you that need extra assistance, that's okay. Place your hands behind you, cradle inside to relax your neck muscles. Just let that head hang, relaxing your neck, and use the abdominal strength that you have to get up. Initiate this movement for the abdominals, your core. Last one. Now we hold it up, 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 up. Now slowly bring your knees to your chest. Elevate your feet and flex your toes and slowly lift up. Hold one leg and one arm up, 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 and the other. Reach up, up, up. Tighten the tummy, flatten the tummy. Now flatten it. Again, reach up, flatten that tummy. Beautiful. And to the other side. Reach up, 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 up. Flatten the tummy, belly button down. Good. And release. And now crisscross your ankles. Just let your ankles relax. Now placing your hands right under your hips, and let's do a little tummy tuck for the lower tummy. So important. This is now working below the belly button, the area most of us really need. We rarely get the lower tummy, so let's get it right now in this efficient workout. Last one. Go up there, hold it, hold it, hold it. And release. And let me see your smiling face. Beautiful. Take a deep breath. Inhale and exhale. And let's reach to the side. That's it. Elongate the body. And to the other side. Beautiful. And stretch forward, stretching out through your hips. Feel the stretch in the buttocks as well as your hips, the back of the thighs. Great. And slowly turn to the side. Last stretch. For your hips and your thighs, sitting up nice and tall. Oh, feels so good. And switch. Hold it. That's it. Hold it there. And relax. Let's take a deep breath together. Inhale. And exhale. Beautiful. I hope you enjoyed your quick workout. Stretch and tone.